National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Calhoun County in central South Carolina, northeastern Barnwell County in central South Carolina, southeastern Lexington County in central South Carolina, northeastern Aiken County in central South Carolina, northwestern Orangeburg County in central South Carolina, southeastern Richland County in central South Carolina, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles southwest of Red Bank to near Barnwell State Park, moving east at 50 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Orangeburg, Casey, Barnwell, McIntyre Air Base, Brookdale, Williston, Blackville, South Congaree, Pine Ridge, St. Matthews, Gaston, Orangeburg County Airport, Barnwell State Park, Congaree National Park, Hopkins, Claflin College, Coral Hill, South Carolina State University, South Carolina State Farmers Market, and Sandy Run. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 42 and 44. Interstate 26 between mile markers 116 and 149. Interstate 77 between mile markers 1 and 3.